8 and VIVA NOLA magazine work together to bring critical information to our Spanish-speaking community every day. Ana Maria Beck, the publisher of VIVA NOLA, joins us now with details and a look at some of the events going on around town, including a push to get members of the Hispanic community vaccinated with the virtual town hall coming up on Thursday. Good morning, Ana Maria.
Good morning. How are you?
I am well, thank you. Tell us about this vaccination, this virtual town hall.
So the Department of Health of New Orleans is inviting people to join this Latino Hispanic Town Hall on March 4th, this Thursday at 6 p.m. It will be interpreted in Spanish, and to make sure that people understand and all the doubts are dissipated in regards to vaccination, the rollout, and how everything works. We have Dr. Jennifer Avegno, Dr. Julia Garcia, and Dr. Eugenio Labadie, who will be providing all the answers.
And when you look at some of the information about how this has hit minority communities, including Hispanics, in terms of, the level of illness and just the percentages, it's obviously the need is there for people to protect themselves.
Yes, so that's why they want to provide all the information so that people are encouraged to get vaccinated so we can leave this pandemic behind. We'll be streaming it on our Facebook page, VIVA NOLA Mag.
Okay.
Thursday.
I'm sorry, go ahead. Well, all right, the Hispanic Chamber distributed laptops to parents. What's that about?
So they have been working with Jefferson Parish schools to provide workshops, literacy computer to parents in English and in Spanish to help the students succeed in schools. So they gave 4 laptops to the families who participated on the first round of the workshop. They were provided by Cox Communications, and they also announced the third round of these workshops. You can register at jpschools.org.
CRC, which is a local company, has been distributing groceries to families during the pandemic, but then also delivering items for hurricane relief in Central America. You hear something in the news about the hurricanes last year, and then it sort of fades over time, but the need is still there.
The need is still there. They have provided 8 containers full of supplies so far, and they committed to doing 20 of them. So they visited Honduras last week to see the first-hand impact that they have been providing to these communities. They're working with a local organization called Operación Amor to provide daily meals to children who have been displaced. Really doing an excellent job and looking for more donations. You can donate by going to their website, crcwecareWeShare.org. Very important work, and really happy that New Orleans has been helping these communities as well.
Right. It's obviously hurricanes are something that touch us, with such a regularity on the Gulf Coast that it's something I think people relate to.
And they don't have all the government help that we get here. So it's really important that those who feel compelled to help continue to do so.
All right, Ana Maria Beck, thank you so much. Ana Maria, we appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you.
Also a reminder that Fox 8 has partnered with VIVA NOLA to share Fox 8 news, weather, and sports content in Spanish. The partnership, an effort to connect the Latino community to critical news and information. Check out the Espanol section of our website for more details. The time now 8:49, and Shelby Latino in